Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about conditional formatting again, but we're going to highlight, rather than doing the family IDs, we will do the based on responses that you might get. So multiple options will highlight different colors. So the example I have is, are you coming to the outing? We're going to highlight this entire column. Under home, go to conditional formatting, scroll down to new rule, and you'll put format only cells that contain. Under cell value, you'll put a specific text, yes, or whatever one of the options that you put was. The format that you want to make it will be, let's say, green, because yes means they're coming. So now you have your green. But I want the no and the maybe to also show up. So I will highlight everything, go to conditional formatting again, and go to manage rules. So here's the first rule I set up. I want to add a new rule to it. And I'm going to just type in the same options that I had, except for I'm going to put no. And I want this one to maybe be red, because they're not coming. And then push OK. And you can add as many new rules as you need to. For this one, I only need one more because I only had 3 options, yes, no, or maybe. And you need to type it exactly as it shows here, as the options were. So if you had an extra, exclamation point or something, it's not going to attach to it, and that will be confusing. Why it's not working. So now you have all of your options. You have yes, no, maybe, and the different formatting that shows up for those. I like to click apply, and then OK, and everything is there. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.